Good morning and welcome back to EVS class children. Today we are going to start where we have left the topic of EVS. Ratan has seen different flower. You may have seen them. Here are some pictures of flower. Mark tick on the flower which you recognize. Write their names too if you know. Children, first one, this flower. I am telling you the names of flower. You have to write uh, names of flower yourself. Even I have given the homework. You have to write the names of flower. First one, that is this one. This is called hibiscus. Okay, first one I am showing you once. Just wait. This one first. First, yes, this one first. This flower is hibiscus flower. Okay, and now come to second one. All of you have seen this flower. What is the name of this flower? This is rose. What is this called? Rose flower. This one, rose. And third one, sunflower. Third is sunflower. Now, next one, you see here, marigold. What is this called? Marigold. And next one, after that, marigold, there is this one, jasmine, white color, jasmine flower, and this is called star flower. This flower is called star flower. And you see here next one, this is periwinkle. This one is called periwinkle flower. This one, periwinkle. And next one is tuber rose. This one is tuber rose. And this last one, you see, this one, what is this called? Lotus. All of you have, must be knowing lotus flower, children. Now, after that, wow, you also recognize so many flowers. Now, accept the picture given. You may write other flowers name also, children. Okay, and now the names of flower. Suppose there is one grow on trees. You have to write gulmohar. Okay, and name of the flower, flame of the forest. This one, grow on the bushes, periwinkle. Okay, and name here, name of the third one, grow on the climber. Third one, grow on the climber, that is bougainvillea. Grow on aquatic, and tuberose also, and grow on aquatic conditions, that is aquatic. Fourth one, that is lotus and kumudini, and bloom only at night. Okay, tuberose. So many names I am giving you, and you may write few names according to your choice also. And then flowers recognized by their scent, rose and tuberose, bloom round year, that is whole year, that means rose and periwinkle. Then bloom only during certain months, mogra, flame of the forest. Okay, now you see these answers I sent you in the PDF of 81 page. Okay, now you see here there are some questions. Go to the garden, collect flower which have fallen down. Look at the flower carefully and tell what is the color of flower. According to your choice, you can write which flowers you collect. Okay, suppose the flower are red or white in color, then smell and you will write. Okay, this is a chart you may fill according to your choice. Now, blooming birds. The question is, you must have seen birds on the plant. Observe the observe the birds on the plant which grow near your surrounding. Okay, What differences do you find between a flower and a bud? Can you tell many days will a bud take to bloom into a flower? Let us try and find out. Now, choose a bud. Children, in all these, they ask the question and you have to write the answer. First, you try. I will send you in the PDF all these answers. Okay. Mostly in this chapter, you have seen. Okay, children, in this chapter, mostly they have given the questions and not even a single answer. Here also, one find out the prices of these different forms of flower. So I will give you the answers in the PDF, and there is nothing to explain you. And these are the activities that you can perform at your home. Okay, along with the help of your parents, and then you can do. And here I am reading. I am reaching at the page number you see. Uh, this is page number 86. I read at page number 86 and 85. There is one activity given. Do this activity in group or 4 or 5 friends. Collect flowers that have fallen from the trees or plants and bring them to the class. Spread these flowers between the sheets of an old newspaper in such a way that they do not touch each other. Now put a heavy object uh, on the newspaper. Leave it pressed till the flowers get dry. After this, take out all the flowers very carefully and prepare a scrapbook. You can also use these dried flowers to make pretty cards. Ratan was walking ahead in the orchard. She saw some persons were cleaning grass in one corner of the field. She went there and started pulling the grass. Do you feel what happened? Her soft hands became red because of pulling of grass. While pulling grass, many roots also come out. Children, what they asked in this topic was, they asked you have to perform one activity to prepare a scrapbook where you have to draw the flowers and put in that book, and then you have to write the names of these flowers also. Now, if you will uproot any plant, you have to check and you have to write in your own observation. When you uproot any plant, is there each and every plant has root? Look at the trees and plants near you. Okay, if each and every plant having root, then you have to, what you have to do, you have to uh, put some roots of the plant or the plant, some trees in the soil, and you have to plant near you. How deep and wide its roots are, imagine. Okay, you have to observe how much deeply these are rooted. There, Ratan saw that Ramji Bhai was pulling radish. Ratan asked Ramji Bhai, so he told, Beta, these are radish and it is also roots. Suddenly rain started. It was raining heavily with storm. However, the trees were stood still. Ratan saw. Okay, if you will see that some roots are, we are using some roots in the form of food. Suppose radish, carrot. These are the roots that we are using in the form of food. Okay, why did why the tree did not fall despite of heavy winds? And imagine all this, mostly you have seen that trees did not fall because of heavy rain and wind. Why? Because of roots bind the soil particle very firmly, so plant did not fall. Why do the withered leaves of growing plants become fresh when they are watered? Because when the water through the roots will reach to the leaves, then the leaves will become fresh. Okay, which plants around you need regular watering? Okay, so you have to write the names. So again, there are few questions they ask. children. So I will send you the answers of these questions, and there are few vegetables they have drawn. Okay, so you see here, you have to write which are these, among these are roots. Okay, so you see here this one, this is root. Okay, then this radish, uh, this is also root. This one carrot, first one carrot, these are roots. Now in this picture you have seen some roots are growing out from the wall of school. She was surprised. She thought how deep roots of these plants would go. How will the roots get water? Okay, so moisture present in the uh, slots will be absorbed by these uh, roots, even from the moisture present in the atmosphere taken by these roots. How big will these plants be? What would happen if to this wall? Can you tell the names of plant in the picture? Children, all these are again question. Mostly we have seen in this chapter the questions are given. I will give you the answers. I will send you in PDF. Now in the orchard you see, have you ever sung or on the banyan tree? Banyan tree, again you see here, these are roots. These are called prop roots. Okay, aerial or prop roots. You have seen here, you see the children are playing with these roots. Okay, they are swinging over here in this picture. These aerial roots are called prop roots, and it grows from the branches and touches the ground. Okay, and such type of trees having very big, this is banyan tree, and very big roots are coming from the aerial part. That means the aerial part means that present in the air is called aerial part, children. Now I hope you understood up to this, because mostly there was only um, questions given in this. So this is an activity they have given. Again the questions are given. Okay, and then again mostly in this chapter they have given the question, children. So I will send you the PDF in which the answer will be written, and you do the activities at home. Then afterward we will start chapter number 12, changing times.